2021 has been an outstanding year for Boston by Rails. I've seen many interesting things, but what were the best of the best? Today, I will be breaking it down into my top 10 catches of the year, one being the best. Let's get started. Number 10. The Herzog Multi-Purpose Machine works at Beacon Park Yard. In March of 2021, I caught MBTA's leased Herzog Multi-Purpose Machine picking up ballast at Beacon Park Yard to be dumped at the Green Line extension. The multi-purpose machine's job is now done, and it has been sent back to its home somewhere out west. It was short-lived in Boston, but it certainly made an impact. Number 9. A great day on District 3. On February 12, 2021, the World of Transit and I trekked over to Ayer, Massachusetts, hoping to catch a few PanAm Southern trains, and we certainly got our fair share. We ended up seeing every train we hoped to see, and saw tons of PanAm trains, something that may be hard to see in the coming years. Number 8. The VAX Express. MBTA ran their VAX Express in 2021 to deliver vaccines to communities in need. This initiative was successful and brought many people out to get the vaccine. It was also a train that will likely never run again. The set consisted of some cool cars, such as MBTA's Veterans Cab Car, MBTA's Operation Lifesaver Car, and their South Coast Rail Car. Number 7. An MBTA Stone train runs to the 10.8 Riverside Switch. On April 17, 2021, a Stone train ran to the 10.8 Riverside Switch. The 10.8 Riverside Switch is the only connection between the MBTA commuter rail and the Green Line. At 10.8, the MBTA built an extra siding to use for maintenance of waste storage. This Stone train was the first train to use the 10.8 switch in over 20 years. Number 6. DODX 221 visits the MBTA. In April of 2021, MBTA used the Federal Railroad Administration's DODX 221 to test track geometry. The car had not been used solely by the MBTA in a long time. It was truly a unique catch. Number 5. An NSGP60 pulls a 100-plus car intermodal. In the summer of 2021, I caught a Norfolk Southern GP60 and SD60E pull a 100-plus car double-stack intermodal train out of Austell's Whitaker Yard. Though this is a normal catch for Austell, it still felt as if the GP60 was leading a super long road freight. The EMD roar heard through town was like a throwback to when these locomotives were the cream of the crop. Number 4. MBTA's GenSets return in full force. In 2021, the MBTA's GenSet locomotives returned to the high iron after sitting dormant for about 2 years. They were used on the wash train in the fall. GenSet switchers are becoming less of a common sight around America, so catch these while you can. Number 3. CSX Returns east of Framingham. In September of 2021, the MBTA ran a rail train via the CSX. They took the rail train under the symbol B723 to Beacon Park Yard, where they handed the train over to the Northside crew. CSX had not been through those parts since a different rail train ran over there in 2019. Hopefully we will see more CSX in the future. Number 2. MBTA Green Line Crane Car. The Green Line has 2 work cars, the wire car and the crane car. The crane car is especially rare out of the 2 because it does not have to run as frequently and inspect the wires, like the wire car. Recently, the T showed interest in buying 2 new work cars for the Green Line, but since then, they have not done much to get said cars. However, the MBTA work cars still have a little time left. And number 1, Norfolk Southern foreign power on an MBTA rail train. On August 25, 2021, another MBTA rail train ran to Reading. The power consisted of MBTA F40PH 2C number 1055 and NSES 40DC number 7564. The train ran to Reading up on the Haverhill line. Note that Norfolk Southern doesn't and probably has never ran on this portion of the Haverhill line. They don't even run into Boston. This train's light power returned with 7564 leading, something that's hard to see these days with all of the different PTC regulations. Overall, this catch was truly something that will be hard to repeat and will go down in history as one of my best catches ever. Thanks for watching. Thank you to everyone for making 2021 so great. Hopefully 2022 can be even better.